Are you born in the year of the rabbit? If you are, then you are offending the Grand Duke. It is a bad year then. Keep watching. If you are born in the year of the rabbit, 2023, you are the Grand Duke. It means you're Tai Sui. In Chinese astrology, metaphysics, apparently, those in confrontation with the Tai Sui encounter challenges, troubles, painful experiences, and anything in between. 2023 is different. It's a special energy for you, the rabbit, because it has excellent stars orbiting your space of existence. In simple words, you have the potential to become much better in 2023. Allow me to explain how. I'm going to share with you the screen and I'm going to show you the energies that are coming into play for the rabbit. And then I'm going to show you how you're going to activate them, how you're going to get the best benefits from those energies coming into your space. Okay, so you have gray stars, you have Duke's arrival. Duke's arrival is the leadership energy. It's a year for you to learn how to stand up for your job, for your goals or your plans, to lead your goals until the end, to lead yourself to a better place. And if you're working in a position of leadership, then it's a year to go one step ahead, to ask for better position, maybe for connecting with someone at work, in your workplace, that help you to grow this year, because it's a potential. Then you have to know how to activate the potential. Okay, so you also have intelligent star. Intelligent star, it make you more intelligent. It will help you to learn anything that you take in faster, easier, and deeper. So you also have the academic star. So you can actually study a master, a degree, a course. That's something that you always wanted to learn. This is the year for you to do it. You also have two great stars that are perfect for increasing your money, but you have to activate them. I'm gonna show you, stay until then, I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so you're gonna have two negative stars though, that you have to be mindful for them. Don't get yourself so busy, so studious, so focus on your money, and forget about your body, because your body is your temple, and if you don't take care of your body, then your body is not going to take care of you. So be mindful of your body, take care of it. I'm going to show you how they activate those stars at the end of the video. Okay, so stay until the end. So if you're born any of these years, then you have the rabbit in the year pillar. This system is called Bazi. A pillar, A character is Bazi. I like the name spiritual and personal Feng Shui, because it relates to the spiritual and personal aspects of the self. Okay, so but you may have the rabbit in any of the other pillars, the month, the day, the hour. So let's find out. Okay, I'm gonna show you where to go. You can go to my Bazi calculator. It's pinned on my bio, on the comment section. You just use the year birth, the month, the day, and the hour. But if you don't have the hour birth, some people don't have it, it's fine. You can still use the three pillars to read the energies for the year. Okay, and that's it. So when we have energy coming in, it will impact us. It will impact the person. Okay, the person receiving the energy, the frequency that is aligned with you this year. So when that's happened, our personality get affected, our spirituality get affected. Therefore, it affects our actions moving forward. So it's very important to protect ourselves. How? We do with meditation, incantation, mindset training, and then priming every morning, priming every time that we don't feel the energy is high enough. We need to keep it high. We need to keep rising the energy, because some of the energies that come into play can be draining, can take us to the low vibrational energy. So we have to keep it high through mantras, incantation, meditations, whatever that you need to do. I'm going to show you at the end of the video the sectors in your home where you can activate the good energies, the sectors for you, personal Feng Shui, okay? And I'm going to show you a lot more. So stay until the end. So we're going to activate all the stars. In the spiritual aspect, you have a very powerful star called Precious Light. I love this star because this energy help you connect with the spirituality of the self, with your higher self, with your light, your brightness, your higher self, your divinity. It doesn't matter which religion that you practice, you're still connecting with your spiritual self, okay? So don't worry about the God or deity that you name. You still have that connection. So connect with that spiritual guidance inside you, okay? Is a very powerful star. I love this star. You will become like a light for yourself, for the world, and it will affect as well the aspect of the cell that the star is located in. So I'm going to show you exactly which aspect the stars are located in, okay? Depending where you have the rabbit. So let's say, for example, you have the rabbit in the year. So if you have the rabbit on the year, if we're talking about your money, then your assets gain more value. Meaning, if you have been buying assets in the past, if you have something that you have invested in the past year, this year you can profit, because you are born in the year of the rabbit. So this is the year for you to cash those money. Or if you don't have, this is the year for you to start investing, because you have all the star, the academic star, the intelligence star. Learn a skill that will help you. Learn money skills, investing, value increase, all this that help you. Or if you have the rabbit on the month of birth, then learn to step up at your job, because you are the Grand Duke. So you learn to lead, be less afraid of leading, learn how to connect with people that help you learn how to lead. Take courses in leadership, take courses in investing in you, in your career. Take courses that help you to become better at your job, okay? If you have the rabbit on the day, then maybe your spouse has those that potential to activate those abilities, the leadership, the academics, the money. Then she's the one who has to take all those in and learn how to help you become better and become better together. Maybe you become a little bit bossy because she's the Grand Duke. So this year you need to be mindful, and if you are someone who doesn't like your spouse to be the boss, because most divorces, most hard years comes when the spouse and become a little bit aggressive and bossy and all that. So it's like a clash on your day pillar, because it's your spouse pala. So this year, learn how to understand the energy of your spouse, learn how to understand her leadership skills and role in the family, learn how to connect with that side of her, and learn how to work alone with her. And that way you can keep the year growing together. Okay. If you have, so learn your communication skills. Okay. If you have the rabbit and the hour pillar, then you becoming more inspirational, you becoming more like a light for people, especially people that you take care of, people who's younger, maybe your children, maybe people that you hang out with. You are more like a leader for them. So um it's a great palace to have you rabbit, okay? Because you are the soul leading the crowd, okay? Like I said, at the end, I'm gonna show you a powerful activation. So next section, you're gonna learn exactly where is the rabbit in your home or in your office. So draw your floor plan and download my template is link on my bio. Put your floor plan in a PowerPoint or print it, and then the template put on top. I'm gonna show you exactly where you locate the rabbit, okay? So this is the important part. This is the best part of these activations for the rabbit. So find out exactly where is the east in your home, okay? Go to the east, and right at the east is the rabbit. So in this section here, Mao, this is the rabbit. So make sure that if you have the rabbit in any of your four pillars and your Bazi, this sector is very, very clean. It's a usable sector. Don't clutter it with garbage. Don't renovate it this year, especially if you don't know how, because then whatever happened to that palace is happening to you. That's what I said. It's a spiritual, personal Feng Shui. This is personal. This is your palace. So be careful what you do in that sector. If it's a missing sector in your home, it's no good, because whatever good Feng Shui that you have in your house, the rabbit is not going to get it. So make sure that it's no missing sector. If you're renting a place and the whole east is missing, you better rent a better place next year. And if it's it's a storage room, it's a garbage bin area, it's a whatever it is that is no positive high vibrational energy, make sure you clear it out. Make sure that you do maybe a study desk in there, maybe a place where you meditate, maybe a place where you work. Basically activate the sector, okay? You can use it to work, to study, to pray, to do your incantation, your meditations in the morning, basically to rise your vibration. So make sure that this sector is very, very active, okay? I'm gonna show you exactly how to activate all of these stars, all right? So this is my favorite part, because this year especially I created specific activations with meditation. So make sure that if you're watching this, if this video is important for you, if you like it, if there's something that you want to embrace and practice, this is the time when you gonna pause the video and get ready, because after this section, you're gonna have meditation for you activate the stars that I just talked about. So let me share with you one more time the stars, because these stars are the ones you're gonna activate. So these stars are Duke's Arrival, Academic Star, and you can do this incantation, this mindset training anytime you need. you can make it as a practice every day, even to activate this. Because remember, this is just frequency, this is just energy. You activate in your mind, in your heart, in your soul, and then you take action. You take a course, you learn skills to learn how to manage money, how to grow money, leadership courses, and so on. So these are the stars we're going to activate, okay? So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, share it with friends and family. Maybe someone need to activate great energy this year, because the last years they haven't been good years for the rabbit. So if you like this video, please, I will appreciate if you share it, if you talk about it with your friends, and subscribe to my video. After this section, you're gonna have the meditation to activate and the incantations to activate them. They are very powerful because I created with a specific sound, binaural sound, which will help you go deep in your unconscious mind, because the unconscious mind governs 95% of our actions in life. So they're gonna be deep into your unconscious mind, activating. So that's what I said. You can do this every single day, or once a week, or once a month, okay? And I will appreciate you. My name is Mary Galeano. It's been a pleasure. I love you all. Be the light that you want to see, and I will see you in my next video.